SpaceX delivered what looked like a blockbuster quarter. Revenue nearly doubled, it comfortably beat analyst estimates, and losses were far smaller than expected. So why did the stock fall nearly 10%? Because the market wasn't focused on what SpaceX earned, it was focused on what it plans to spend. Let's break it down. For the second quarter of 2026, SpaceX reported $7.8 billion in revenue, up 92% from a year earlier and well ahead of analyst expectations of $6.82 billion. The company also posted a net loss of about $541 million, much lower than the roughly $2.12 billion analysts had expected. But investors quickly shifted their attention to one number: capital expenditure. SpaceX spent nearly $16 billion on AI infrastructure during the quarter, roughly double the previous quarter and well above Wall Street's expectations. The company also said this elevated spending would continue for at least the next 2 quarters. That appears to have unsettled investors. So what is Elon Musk building? Musk wants AI infrastructure to become one of SpaceX's biggest growth businesses. The company plans to expand its computing capacity from around 2 gigawatts by the end of this year to nearly 10 gigawatts by the end of 2027. Building data centers at that scale requires enormous investment, with much of the spending going towards AI chips and related infrastructure. The strategy is already generating revenue. SpaceX AI business brought in around $2.5 billion during the quarter by leasing computing power to companies such as Google and Anthropic. But analysts say the pace of investment has raised concerns. Some believe the spending could weigh on profitability in the near term, while others argue it is necessary if SpaceX wants to compete in the next phase of the AI race. Elon Musk remains confident. He believes SpaceX can generate $1 trillion in annual revenue by the end of this decade. The company is also developing orbital data centers and says its Starlink satellite internet business continues to be a major growth driver. For investors, the question is simple: will today's massive AI investments become tomorrow's profits? The answer could determine whether this is an expensive gamble or Elon Musk's next big success. Follow Business Standard for more stories.